Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to fix League of Legends play button not working. So if the play button in your League of Legends client and Riot client is not working, there is an easy solution that will let you fix this issue. So firstly, you'll need to head to the taskbar. From here, right click and open up Task Manager. Maximize the window and go to the Details tab. From here, you need to find the League of Legends client.exe. Here it is. Just right click on it, then click on End Process. After that, you need to scroll down and find a Riot Client Services. So after you find the Riot Client Services, right click on it, then click on End Task, then Process. After both the League client and Riot client have been turned off, all you need to do is exit the Task Manager, go to the search panel, click on Riot Client, then open up Riot Client. After the Riot Client is open, head to the League of Legends game section and you can see that the play button is here and working. Click on the play button and your League of Legends client will load right up. After the League of Legends client loads, just wait for a few seconds for the play button to pop up. And here it has popped up. You can left click on it. Now go into any lobby, confirm. Select your champions. Now if you click on Find Match, you can easily get into the match and your problems will all be fixed.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.